If you're trying to decide between Claude Code and Augment Code, this video will help you understand which one is actually better for the kind of work you do. Both tools are powerful, both are built for developers, and both can seriously speed up your workflow, but they are not the same. And the best choice depends on whether you want an AI agent that can take ownership of tasks, or an AI assistant that helps you inside the editor while you code. If this kind of comparison is helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe, because I create practical software tutorials and AI tool breakdowns, just like this one. Let's start with Claude Code. Claude Code is designed for developers who want more than just autocomplete or simple suggestions. It is built to understand an entire project, work across multiple files, run terminal commands, debug issues, and complete more complex coding tasks with very little guidance. In other words, it behaves much more like an AI software engineer than a basic coding helper. That makes Claude Code especially useful for large refactoring jobs, architecture changes, automation tasks, and workflows where strong reasoning really matters. If you need to update code across an entire project, trace how one change affects multiple files, or let the AI handle a multi-step task from start to finish, Claude Code is built for that style of work. Another major advantage is its support for MCP, or Model Context Protocol. That means Claude Code can connect with external tools and services, which gives it even more flexibility in advanced developer workflows. So if your work involves integrations, tool usage, or more connected development environments, that is a big strength. Now let's talk about Augment Code. Augment Code focuses more on improving the everyday developer experience directly inside the IDE. Instead of acting like a full task-owning agent, it works more like an intelligent coding partner while you write code. It gives you code completion, Codebase-aware chat, debugging help, and suggestions that are aware of the repository you're working in. One of Augment Code's biggest strengths is helping developers understand large codebases quickly. If you are dropped into a new project and need to navigate unfamiliar files, figure out how different parts of the app connect, or get help without leaving your editor, Augment Code is very strong in that workflow. So the real difference comes down to working style. Claude Code behaves more like an AI software engineer that can take ownership of a task and carry it through. Augment Code behaves more like an AI pair programmer that stays alongside you while you code, helping you move faster and understand the code around you. If you are doing bigger, more autonomous coding work, Claude Code may be the better fit. If you want a smooth IDE-first experience with helpful suggestions and fast codebase understanding, Augment Code may be the better choice. In simple terms, Claude Code is better when you want the AI to do more of the heavy lifting. Augment Code is better when you want support while staying in control of the coding process. That means neither tool is universally better for everyone. It really depends on your workflow, your project size, and how much autonomy you want from the AI. So which one should you choose? If you want an agent that can reason, act, and help with complex development tasks across your project, go with Claude Code. If you want an editor-friendly assistant that boosts productivity during day-to-day coding, Augment Code is a very strong option. If this comparison helped you decide, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI and software tutorials, and let me know in the comments which one you would pick for your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.